What's up, everybody? We're back at Mezcal Buzz for another Mezcal tasting. I'm Marco Gutierrez, your personal Mezcal sommelier. And today I have for you a very cool and unique tasting of Mezcal Hacienda Oponguio. And this is an ensemble of Maguey Tequilana and Agave Inaequidens. And this was done with Don Pepe. Pepe is one of the co-founders of LA Tequila Club. And I can't wait to tell you more about this awesome mezcal. Keep watching. All right, so let's do it. Mezcal Hacienda Oponguio, and they are produced in Michoacan. They primarily use Agave Inaequidens, and they have several expressions with Agave Inaequidens that are produced in different seasons. So they have the Mezcal Frutal, Mezcal Herbal, Mezcal Seco, and it has to do with when the agave was harvested and where it was harvested. For example, the Mezcal Seco, which grows under the shade of trees. So I really encourage you to seek out Mezcal Hacienda Oponguio to check out their different expressions. But today we have this very special bottle, which is an ensemble of Agave, Tequilana, and Inaequidens. And this was made, as I mentioned earlier, with Don Pepe. This is a very special project. Pepe is one of the co-founders of the LA Tequila Club, a fantastic club in the LA area. If you're not a part of it yet, I encourage you to check it out and join. It's free to join on one of their tiers of the memberships. You'll be invited to different events, different tasting events, which is where I picked up this bottle. So this was made in collaboration with Pepe. Pepe is a técnico tequilero. Congratulations, Pepe, because I know you went through a rigorous program to do this, and you invest a lot of time into your studies and into this world of agave spirits. And this particular batch was done with Pepe and Juan, the maestro mezcalero of Hacienda Oponguio, and they worked together on this to produce Pepe's first batch. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. I'm gonna start with the aromas. As I do these aromas, visit Instagram on Hacienda Oponguio and Don Pepe. You'll see he's sharing a lot of stories and really cool videos of the entire process of producing this batch. We have 47% ABV on this. I smell those alcohols, very pleasant alcohols. When I say that, a lot of people, I don't want you to think and hear that I'm just smelling alcohol. Alcohols have different aromas as well. Like I get a lot of sweetness right up front. I do smell what I perceive to be floral and ripe fruit from the Inaequidens, some citrus and cooked agave. I really start to close my eyes and like float around and smell. I do smell a tequila here, though it's an Agave Tequilana. The process that this went through was a traditional mezcal production. The agaves were cooked together in this ensemble. They were cooked together in an underground pit that is lined with stone. I understand that they also alternated the agaves, so they would put some Inaequidens and they would put a layer of Tequilana and another layer of Inaequidens in the cooking process. They used encino and aguacate wood for the cooking of this. Let's go ahead to the mouthfeel. I like it has sweetness up front. It has a kick to it, and that sweetness is very ripe sweetness, ripe fruits, cooked agave, and then it's followed up for me with some of that citrus notes, some lime, a little zest at the end too, almost a little bitterness. I think the Inaequidens is really coming up front, followed by that Tequilana agave. Slight fermentation notes that I get. The milling process is unique here as well. They used a mechanical milling machine. This was distilled in a Filipino still. And what was unique about this still that I saw is that it had an exterior coil as well. A lot of times the Filipino still will have its distillation come out from a chute and it comes out hot. In this case, they did have it coming out into a second set of alambic or coils, and it was cooling down the distillation even more on that process. So distilled twice in a Filipino still. Let me revisit these flavors once again. Peppery, I like the acidity to it. I get a medium body, great mouthfeel, pretty coating. The finish is about a medium finish. Yes. I'm gonna give this a solid 4 stars. Great tasting mezcal. There you have it, great tasting mezcal, solid 4 stars here at Mezcal Buzz. I encourage you to check out LA Tequila Club, join, sign up, it's free. If you could attend their events, do it, you won't regret it. Pepe, felicidades, this is a great tasting mezcal, awesome project, and it's great seeing the process because you documented it thoroughly. And if you're watching, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, leave your comments below, and as always, we'll catch you next time.